Sometimes you will find the resistors which are labeled by 3 digits. How are we supposed to read the resistance of that resistor? Remember, the first digit is the digit, second one is the digit, and the third digit represents the number of zeros. So let's take a look. What's the resistance of this resistor? I have digit, digit, and number of zeros. I have 1, 2, and I have 1 0. So this is 120 ohms. Let's take a look at this one. I have digit, digit, number of zeros. So I have 4, 7, and 2 zeros. Convert this to engineering notation. I have to move my decimal point 3 times to the left side, and I have 4.7 kiloohms. Let's take a look at this one. Digit, digit, number of zeros. 3, 3, and I have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 ohms. Again, convert this to engineering notation. Move the decimal point 3 times to the left. 2, 3 is equal 33 kiloohms. Let's take a look at this one. I have digit, digit, number of zeros. 5, 6, and I have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move the decimal point 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to have 560 kiloohms. Let's take a look at the next one. I have digit, digit, number of zeros. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, convert this to engineering notation. Move the decimal point 3 times to the left side. But if you're going to move it only 3 times, the number on the left side of the decimal point would be greater than 999. And this is the sign that you're supposed to keep moving your decimal point next 3 decimal places. So you're going to end up with 2.2, and because you move your decimal point 6 times, you're supposed to write over here mega ohm. Let's take a look at the very last example. I have digit, digit, number of zeros. I have 5, 6. How many zeros I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Move the decimal point 3 times to the left side, and you will have 56 kilo ohms. These are the solutions to these problems.